Alright, this artwork is now finished, safely completed. Thank you, budgies. Thank you. Appreciate the input. I added some like mosaic tile from the shelf in the bottom right and left. Rita Levi, a Jewish Greek child from Corfu, also known as Kerkyra in northwest Greece. She was murdered by the Nazis at the Auschwitz death camp in Nazi-occupied Poland in 1944. We have 2 parakeets I drew. Animals, birds that I enjoy. We have allegorical sea monsters represented like Nazism, fascism, genocide, hate. I added different things on the wood frame, the base of a candlestick holder, something I found on a sidewalk or street in Seattle not long ago. An old like metal clasp. This I picked up, I think on a beach. Might have been in Scotland, I forget. Shells from somewhere. This I picked up on the sidewalk or street in Seattle actually recently. This little chest I bought at a charity thrift store. This is from a beach walk somewhere. A metal candlestick holder. A neighbor gave me this thing. This I bought at a charity thrift shop. Old spoon, I don't remember where I got it. It might have been a family spoon. And there you have it. Rita Levi, blessed memory. I don't know her age. When she was arrested by the Nazis. I know when she was murdered. Alright, there you have it. How are we doing, buddies? I'm going to say hi. Just woke them up a few minutes ago. Hi, hi. Alright, there you have it. Teachers, of course, can assist with students, pupils, and interpreting what the allegorical sea monsters are meant to represent. There are, by the way. Let's see how many. 1, 6, 7. Well, I'll let you see how many you find there. All right, there we have it.